Hello everyone, welcome back to your online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am with lesson number 2 of your course book named How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So before getting into the lesson, let me bring you all to a point where you all know the fact that the dog and the wolf are closely related to each other. You may also know something about how, over the centuries, human beings have been domesticated and tamed wild animals. So, here in this lesson, it's a story about how the dog became a tamed animal. Let's start. Once upon a time, dogs were their own masters and lived the way the wolves do, that is, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. Ill pleased means unhappy. He was so sick of wandering about by himself in search of food and also being frightened of those who were stronger than him. So one day he decided that the best thing for him is to become someone's servant who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. So, walking through the forest on his way, he met a kinsman of his, means a relative, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Fierce means violent or frightening. The wolf asked him, "Where are you going, dog?" The dog says that he is looking for someone to take up service with and also ask him, "Would you like to be my master wolf?" The wolf agrees to it. Both of them went together now. They walked and walked for a long time. All of a sudden, the wolf lifted his nose and sniffed and darted quickly the path and crept deeper into the bushes. Darted means moved quickly or suddenly. The dog was surprised to see this and asked the wolf that what came over him which frightened him so. Came over means here what affected him. Then the wolf said, "Can't you see? There is a bear out there and he might eat both of us." Now, when the dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf, he decides to take up his service with him. Then and there, he leaves the wolf and asks the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to the request of the dog and says, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat to our fill." They walked on and on and on. Soon saw a herd of cows and they were about to come up to it, but all of a sudden they stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all the directions. Oh my God! The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily means with excessive speed or urgency or hurriedly. Now the bear says to the dog that why had he come here? It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. "Lion? Who is he?" asked the dog. The bear said, "Don't you know? Lion is the strongest of all beasts on earth." Beast means four-footed animal, especially which is large or dangerous. Then the dog says, "Well, then goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on this earth." Now the dog goes to the lion and asks him to be his master, and the lion agrees to it. Then onwards, they stayed together and the dog served him for a long time. It was a good life. There was nothing for the dog to complain about, as there were no beasts stronger than the lion in the forest and no one dared to touch him or offend him in any way. But one day, both of them, while walking together side by side near a bare cliff, all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw, which made a hole there. Then he began to back away very quickly. The dog was surprised to this. He asked Lion, "What is it, master? Is there anything wrong?" Then the lion says, "I can smell a man coming this way. We should better run for it or we will be in trouble." On hearing this, the dog says to the lion, "Oh well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on this earth." Thereafter, he went to join the man. He stayed with him and served him faithfully. So, my dears, this happened long ago. But you can see to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So, this is how the dog found a master for himself, and this is how the man got a loyal servant for him years and years ago. Hope you all understood and enjoyed the lesson. See you all again in the next lesson. Till then, do take care and have a great time. Thank you.